If you're looking for LED light strips for the bedroom, room, kitchen, or other home decor, well, boy oh boy, you are in the right place. Today we will be taking a look at 32 feet of LED light strips from Pangton Villa. These LED light strips, yes, for 32 feet, only retail for $25.99, link in the description below, and you will see from our comprehensive video review that these have something that set them apart from the rest. We have reviewed similar products in the past, many LED light strips in fact, but these are a nice baseline LED light strip at an affordable price and sleek design, which we will see in just a moment. Opening up the box, I forgot to read something. Brightness, 450 lumens and estimated energy cost of $436 per year, and that's if you leave these on all the time. So, very low power consumption for these lights. We will then pull out the packaging and we see only one spool of lights, and that's very important because most lengths over 16 feet, also known as 5 meters, come in two spools that have to be split from the IR controller, which is usually bulky and not very sleek, but for these lights, that is not the case. Also in the packaging is the AC adapter, and notice there is no bulky controller. In addition is the directions, as well as a large controller, which I can appreciate. This controller is so much more than most of the standard 24 button controllers. There's individual brightness adjustments for the red, green, and blue lights, as well as a plethora of color options, and then some customizations that allow you to control how the light behaves. To get this thing going though, we have to pull out the battery stopper that cuts off power, but now we have power. Looking at the directions, we will find that I'm sure these are pretty simple to hook up. All you have to do is plug it in, really mount it, yada yada yada. Great, I think we can handle this. We are going to undo the wiring from the AC adapter. And notice that this adapter is a very clean design that would really fit in anywhere, especially if you have a bright colored room. The white adapter would blend into the wall quite nicely. Opening up the actual packaging, we find first some mounting hardware, and they include a plethora of options for mounting. You can mount via these buckle holders, which go onto your wall. You can either screw them in or use the adhesive. They have upgraded the adhesive from the standard 0.1 millimeter thickness to 0.2, so that should have a better hold. But if that doesn't do it, you can always screw it in with the screws that they include in the packaging. There is some directions for mounting, as well as an emergency fixer if you cut the lights in the wrong place and you need to reconnect them, which I think is pretty cool because that is something unusual. There's two of them, so you can mess up twice. Third time, nah. We're going to take the mounting hardware, put it aside now, and actually test out the lights. See how bright they are and how worthy they are of being an RGB light strip. Pull it out. The plug-in. Right there on the end. That's got all the business of this light strip. That's where the controller is. You don't have to worry about mounting a controller in a weird spot next to these. It's as simple as taking this plug, putting it in the end, and boom, you are in business. So let's unravel these a bit and take a look at the LEDs. There are cut lines across the whole length of the LED strip in case it is too long for your operation. But let's go through and cycle some colors. We got green, blue, purple, pink. If Lucas is editing this is probably driving him crazy because he's colorblind. Sorry, Lucas. And go through some of the different modes here. Let's do auto, okay, flash, and a fade. Sweet. Again, 32 feet in one spool, that's a lot of lights coming off one slick controller, as well as a very low profile adapter. Is it worth it? that's up to you. If you want to purchase these lights, you can do so via the link in the description. Please comment what you think of these lights overall, looking at the design quality. Wow, those are bright. As well as the construction. I'd say for $25.99, they are pretty on pace with the industry average. Some benefits of these lights compared to others are things like I said, as the low profile controller, as well as the slick adapter, larger remote, and the 32 feet in one roll. While this power adapter is slim, I must also note that it is UL certified, so don't have to worry about any fires happening with these LED lights. What do you think? Let us know in the comment section below. If you want to support the channel by not purchasing these lights and doing something for free, you can certainly do that by clicking the subscribe button, as well as dropping a like on the video. As always, folks, we'll catch you in the next one. Bird out.